Who likes my hair? Oh no. Oh no, dog. Wow. Hello, Jerry Pop. Wow, you're beautiful. Thank you, Jerry. Ang hot naman ni mami ko. Kasi mainit din dito. Pretty hair. Thank you, Jerry Pop. Jerry Pop watching from? Hmm? Hi to my 151. Please share live, guys. Buenos dias, Francisa. Hello, John Reyes. Same to you. South Carolina. Where's South Carolina? It's from US? Somewhere in? Kinakamusta ka ni Junjun? Junjun ka dyan, ha? Ikaw, family ka ng mga sarsalan, siguro. Please want export ng USA. Hi, export ng USA. Philippines. Jerry Poop, I'm from Philippines. Where's that Carolina? Mom, look, I'm fit. Why you're lucky? I'm lucky because I have my freedom. So I'm a single mother, no stress. So that's why I'm lucky. I'm lucky because I'm blessed. I have my son, I have my family, and I am contented with my life, even though I'm not rich, but I'm happy. It's enough. But I have my son also, not no husband, but still okay. Because husband is so stressful, guys. My ex is so stressful. That's why I'm lucky na because I'm a single mom. I'm a freedom to go somewhere else. Boyfriend? No, I have boyfriend. I'm giving my time now to my son. Last time I got a relationship was 2022. Now 2023 for 2 years. No boyfriend. Mami lapit. Oh my God. Ganyan ka, Joseph Mihar. Huwag pa ng ganyan. Huwag mo lang sabihin dyan. Beautiful. Thank you. Hello, Philip. Where you from? I'm Philippines. You're from Philip Paris? My son is 6 years old. He's in grade 1. Tomorrow is the start of the class opening. That's why. Oh, my son. Look at my son. He's sleeping already. Oh, that's my son. So, forget to swear or adapt. Please watch my video, guys. What my video? Hi, everyone. Some guys like to see fit. Some guys like to see. Oops, why do you do that, guys? Is that your vitamins in your eyes? Something good in your tagasan? Ako, Miko. Tagasan? Taga Mindanao. Taga Dapitan. I will come here in Dapitan. Mark, hi, Ma. Is your mouse hairy? No, it's not hairy mouse. It's um I don't know, but it's not hairy. Hairy. Layo naman. Yes, ang layo ko. Hernan Ligutong, good night, sweet dreams too. How do I go to your video? You can go to my video. Where? Here. Mommy. Ano pa yan? Kailan ba dadaan ng Manila? Uy, hindi daanan ng amin, no? I ran away from my fears. Oh, Desmond City, why? This what you sleep? Hmm? Less. That what you sleep in? What's that? Look, I mean, heights. What else? 5 minutes more before I end my live. So comment